Guys, welcome back to the Franny channel. Yes, you are correct. I am missing something on my face. I am missing a highlighter. I'm so happy that I got a hold of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Deeped. Goodbye to that plastic. Now, this is what it looks like. I did do a little like swatcheroos on them. Let me go ahead and put them on my hand. But this is not a product that is new in the industry. It is new to me, and I'm very happy that I'm going to be reviewing it and putting it on my beautiful face. So, first color that I have here is Moonstone. So let me go ahead and swatch that. See, very pretty, and swatch it like right here. Very pretty. This is going to be maybe one of the colors that I am going to dip into a lot. On the side, I have Tourmaline. So that's like a rosy color. Next one is a Summer. And Summer, it's gonna go right here, like on my knuckles. Whoa. That one's pretty as well. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it because of the my phone lens and the ring light, but there we go. Last one, let me go ahead and take these off. Last one is Bronzed, right here. And this is going to go over here. Whoa. Okay, so that's a dark color. So I might put a little bit of that like on top of my bronzer, but that would be a color that I might use like on my lids, maybe like an inner corner, but definitely not as a highlighter because it's a little too dark for me. So I am going to do every single part of my face, I think, with the highlighter. Alrighty. So I have 4 highlighter brushes. I like the Moonstone as my nose, maybe. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna dive into Tourmaline. And that is gonna go right here on my cheek. And this is the Morphe R31. That is an intense highlighter. I like it. I love it. All right, for the other side, right here, I'm gonna take Summer. Yeah, I'm gonna take Summer. And this is a brush that I always have trouble reading. So I'm just gonna put it right here. And it's one that I got on my Ipsy bag, okay? And this is gonna go right here. Okay. Let's tone it down. All right, now for my nose, I am going to use Moonstone. And on my Cupid bow. And right here. All right, so those colors are definitely up my alley. Like I said, I'm not going to use bronze because it's a little too dark, and it's not going to go in my face whatsoever, but it will go up on my lids. I can put it on my lid and then put the other colors on top, and it's going to look very nice and shimmery. So what do I think about this palette? This is an amazing product. I mean, it's not that expensive, and you get 4 huge highlighters which have beautiful colors. I'm gonna say that I'm gonna use these 3 a lot, just because they're right up my alley. Which was the Tourmaline is more like a rosy, kind of like a champagne rosy kind of a color. So that will depend on the look that I'm using, because that can turn out a little bit dark. Moonstone is beautiful. Moonstone I have on my nose, on my Cupid's bow, and then Summer is just beautiful. Summer is right here on this side, which I really like. Those 3 are up my comfort zone. A bronze, like I said, I might do a little bit of bronzing with it, maybe on top of a bronzer, but not too sure that I'm gonna do it for that because it is a little bit dark for me, but I will be using it like on my eyelids because it's a beautiful color. It's just a little tad too dark. I really love this palette. Like, I've been seeing this palette all over YouTube for so many years. It's a palette that I've always wanted to grab, and when I had the opportunity to purchase it, I jumped on the website and I grabbed it. It's very beautiful. It doesn't have a mirror, but it's okay. I mean, do you need a mirror on it? You could, you know, it's preference. I mean, if you have a mirror, that would be cool. If you don't have a mirror, that's fine. It's good for traveling. It has a good weight to it. So it has a really nice weight to it. It's really beautiful and compact. Like, you can set this on your desk or set this on your drawers. And I believe it's really, really beautiful. Like I said, it's great for traveling because you have so many options. So you can just grab this, pack this, and you're done for highlighters. You don't have to, you know, take individual ones and then just have like a bunch of stuff on your suitcase or on your beauty bag. You can just throw this in there and you're perfectly set for your highlighting experience. The colors are, like I said, are very beautiful. They're very pigmented. Do they emphasize texture? If you have pores, of course they're going to emphasize a little bit of texture. I'm not too concerned about texture. I am very aware that I have pores on my face, so I'm not really, you know, thrown off for the idea that they can transfer a little bit of texture. It's fine. I mean, you're highlighting your face. Of course you're gonna have a little bit of texture. No face is completely pore free, so don't worry about that. I mean, if you wanna rock your highlighter, rock it, and don't let anybody else tell you otherwise. Like me. If they tell me my highlighter is too out there, I'm gonna be like, excuse me? Talk to the hand, because I'm living it. So I highly recommend this palette. I really, really love it. I haven't had any other of the palettes from Anastasia on the highlighting side. I do have the eyeshadows, but this is the first highlighting palette, and I want to go ahead and grab some more. I know the other ones are very great as well. This one's a great quality. The powder is really fine and beautiful, and I totally enjoy it. And that was it, guys, for this review on this palette. Very easy, very simple, very fast, and I suggest you go and purchase it whenever you have the opportunity to purchase it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. Ring the notification bell so you are notified anytime I upload videos. I do it mostly once a week. I might be doing it twice a week. We'll see how that goes. But like I said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.